An easement is the right to use another party's property for a limited purpose. Does an easement holder lose the easement by exceeding those limits? In Penn Bowling Recreation Center versus Hot Shops, the District of Columbia Circuit Court of Appeals had to decide whether to strike out or spare a misused easement. In 1938, Hot Shops Incorporated purchased a parcel of property. The property was subject to a right-of-way easement for an adjoining parcel. Penn Bowling Recreation Center, or Penn for short, purchased the adjoining parcel, which we'll call the dominant estate, in 1940. Penn later purchased another adjoining parcel on which it built a restaurant. Penn used the easement to benefit both parcels. In 1948, Hot Shops erected a barrier blocking the right-of-way. Penn sued, seeking an injunction to force Hot Shops to remove the barrier. Hot Shops argued that Penn had misused the easement and asked the court to declare the easement extinguished. The trial court granted Hot Shops' motion, and Penn appealed to the District of Columbia Court of Appeals.